Working on a long-term task with multiple files, ideas, and conversations. ChatGPT Projects helps you keep everything organized in one place, making it easier to manage research, content creation, business tasks, coding projects, and much more. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and use ChatGPT Projects step by step. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. On the sidebar, look for the Projects section. This is where you can organize related chats, files, and instructions into one dedicated workspace. Next, click the option to create a new project. Give your project a clear name, such as marketing campaign, research notes, content creation, website design, or study materials. Using descriptive names makes projects easier to find later. Once your project is created, you can upload files such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, images, or notes. You can also add project instructions that tell ChatGPT how to respond, what style to use, or what goals you're working toward. Now begin chatting inside the project workspace. ChatGPT can use the files, instructions, and previous conversations within that project to provide more relevant answers and maintain better context over time. Projects are especially useful for long-term tasks. Instead of keeping everything in separate chats, you can organize related work in one place. This makes it easier to continue projects, revisit earlier discussions, and manage complex tasks more efficiently. As your work grows, you can upload more files, add new conversations, and update instructions whenever needed. This allows ChatGPT to stay aligned with your goals and provide more consistent support throughout the project. You can create projects for many purposes, including business planning, content creation, coding, research, studying, marketing campaigns, client work, or personal organization. Creating separate projects helps keep information clear and easy to manage, and that's how to use ChatGPT Projects. By keeping related chats, files, and instructions together, you can stay organized and work more efficiently on long-term tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.